Hello students, today we are going to learn a topic national income, book page number 212. National income is a measure of the total value of goods and services produced by an economy over a period of time, normally a year. Commonly, national income is called as gross national product (GNP) or national dividend. Explanation. National income means the total value of goods and services produced annually in a country. It's simply saying the total amount of money earned within a country. See book page number 212. Various terms associated with the measuring of national income. It is a variety of measures of national income and output are used in economics to estimate total economic activity in a country or region, including gross national product, gross domestic product, net national product, net domestic product, per capita income, personal income, disposable income. See book page number 212, gross national product, GNP. Gross national product is the total value of goods and services produced and income received in a year by domestic resistance of a country. It includes profits earned from capital invested abroad. Explanation. GNP is defined as the market value of all goods and services produced in 1 year by labor and property supplied by the resistance of a country. Measuring of GNP. GNP equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M plus NFIA. C equal to consumption, F for I for investment, G for government expenditure, X minus M equal to import minus export minus import. NFIA it stands for net factor income from abroad. See book page number 212, gross domestic product, GDP. Gross domestic product, GDP, is the total value of output of goods and services produced by the factors of production within the geographically boundary of the country. Explanation. GNP is defined as the market value of all goods and services produced in 1 year by labor and property supplied by the resident of a country. See book page number 212, Net National Product, NNP. Net National Product, NNP, is arrived by making some adjustment with regard to depreciation, that is, we arrived the Net National Product, NNP, by dedicating the value of depreciation from gross national product, NNP equal to GNP minus depreciation. Explanation. Net national product is the total value of finished goods and services produced by a country's citizen overseas and domestically minus depreciation. The net national product (NNP) is considered as a true measure of national output. It is also known as national income. For measuring a country's development, its income is considered to be one of the most important factors. So, the income itself is considered to be one of the indicator of national income. NNP equal to gross national product minus depreciation. See book page number 212, Net Domestic Product, NDP. Net Domestic Product, NDP, is a part of gross domestic product. Net domestic product is obtained from the gross domestic product by dedicating the quantum of TS and VS expense. Depreciation. NDP equal to GDP minus depreciation. Explanation. Net domestic product is an annual measure of an economic output of a nation that is adjusted to account for depreciation, and it is calculated by separating depreciation from the gross domestic product. Net domestic product is a part of gross domestic product. Net domestic product equal to gross domestic product minus depreciation. See book page number 212, fifth point, per capita income, PCI. Per capita income or output per person is an indicator to show the living standard of people in a country. It is obtained by dividing the national income by the population of a country. Per capita income equal to national income by population. Explanation. Per capita income, also known as income per person in the mean income of a people in an economic unit such as a country or city. It is calculated by taking a measure of all sources of income in the aggregate and dividing it by the total population. Per capita income is often used to measure an area's average income. The current Per capita income is national income divided by population size. Per capita income is often used to measure a sector's average income and compare to the health of the different population. Per capita income equal to national income by population. See book page number 212, personal income PI. Personal income is the total money income received by individuals and household of a country from all possible sources before direct taxes. Therefore, personal income can be expressed as follows: PI equal to NI corporate income taxes minus undistributed corporate profit minus social security contribution plus transfer payment. Explanation. Personal income refers to all income collectively received by all individuals or households in a country. See book page number 2. Personal income equal to national income corporate income taxes minus undistributed corporate profits minus social security contribution plus transfer payment. See book page number 212, disposable income DI. Disposable income means actual income which can be sent on consumption by individuals and families. Thus, it can be expressed as DPI equal to PI minus direct taxes. From consumption approach, DI equal to consumption expenditures plus saving. Explanation. Disposable income is also known as disposable personal income is the amount of money that household have available for spending and saving after income taxes have been accounted for. It is disposable income equal to personal income minus direct taxes. For a consumption approach, disposable income equal to consumption expenditures plus savings. See book page number 212, gross domestic product GDP produced in the country. GDP of the India includes only the market value of goods and services produced in India. For example, the market value of apples produced in Kashmir are included in our GDP. Since Kashmir is in India, the market value of apples produced in California, even if they are sold in Indian market, are not included in our GDP because California is in the US. Explanation. GDP data are among the most important economic data available for measuring economical growth. GDP is the total market value of all the goods and services provided for within the borders of a country during a set of time period. The market value of products produced in India are included in the GDP, which are the products are produced outside of India, even if they are sold in Indian market, they are not included in our GDP. See book page number 213. Produced during a time period. The GDP of a country measures its market value of goods and services produced only during the specified time period. The goods and services produced in earlier periods are not included. If an year is in the specified time period, the GDP of 2018 will include the market value of goods and services produced only during 2018. So, a bicycle produced in 2017 will not be included in the GDP measures for 2018. Explanation. Represent the value of all final goods and services produced over a specified time period within a country's border. The goods and services produced in earlier period are not included in the year. See book page number 213. In India, the GDP is measured both annually and quarterly. The annual GDP is for a financial year which is from April to say 2017 to March to 31st 2018. This is written as 2017 to 2018. The quarterly GDP estimates are for each of the 4 quarters into which India's financial year is divided. First quarter denoted Q1, it is April, May and June. Second quarter are Q2, July, August, September. Third quarter are Q3, October, November, December. Fourth quarter are Q4, January, February, March. The annual GDP for the financial year 2017 to 18 will include only the goods and services produced during this financial year and will execute the goods and services produced in the previous year. Likewise, GDP for Q2 will include only the goods and services produced in Q2 and will not include the goods and services produced in Q1. Explanation. Indian GDP measured both annually and quarterly. The annual GDP is for the financial year which starts from April to next year March. The quarterly GDP estimates are for each of the 4 quarters into India financial years is divided into first quarter April, May, June, second quarter July, August, September, third quarter October, November, December, and fourth quarter January, February, and March. GDP for any quarters will not include the previous quarter's products. See book page number 213. Gross Domestic Product (GDP) definition. Gross Domestic Product (GDP) represents the economic health of the countries. It represents a sum of countries' production which consists of all purchases of goods and services used by individuals, firms, foreigners, and the governing bodies. The monetary value of all the finished goods and services produced within a country's border is a specified time period. Explanation. GDP and include anything produced by the country's citizens and foreigners within the boundaries. It is primarily used to assess the health of the country's economy. It represents the value of all goods and services produced over a specified period of time within their country's border. GDP is the total monetary or market value of all the finished goods and services produced within the country's border in specified period of time. Measuring of GDP. GDP equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. C equal to consumption, I for investment, G for government expenditure, X minus M refers to X for export and M for import. Students, I hope you understood that topic. Click the below link and do the assignment. Thank you.